That is dog poop. Now, you may be wondering why I just had him get a close-up of dog poop. And the answer is, if you think about cats and dogs, let's be honest, most people like dogs more than cats because they're better in pretty much all the ways. But there's a distinct difference between cats and dogs. Yeah, good boy. And one of those is where they poop and who they show their poop to. Cats like to hide their poop. They put it in a litter box and nobody can see it. Because cats are kind of prissy little creatures that don't like to, hang out with humans or be cool. I don't hate cats. I've had some cool cats, but this guy's pretty awesome. And so the difference is cats or dogs, they just poop out in the open. They just leave their shit out there for everyone to see. And when it comes to email marketing particularly, you want to show people the poop. You want to put your poop out there and show people the tough stories. The harder it is for you to tell a story, the more difficult and emotional it was, the more likely it is that you should be sharing that story in your email copy and in your email marketing with your list, whatever it is that you do. So if you want to learn how to write awesome stories in your emails, you want to learn Poseidon's secret to making everybody love him and making everybody love you, then just click somewhere around this video thing and I'll share my other email secrets and show you how to show your poop to the world. Hey!